At Courier Graphics, every print project follows a proven process. It's how we keep things organized, on schedule, and looking great from start to finish. It all starts with a consultation. We take time to understand your goals, your specs, and your timeline so everything is set up right from the beginning. Next comes the estimate and scheduling. You'll receive a clear quote and a production schedule so you always know what's happening and when. Then we move into pre-press and proofing. Our team reviews every file for accuracy and print readiness. You'll receive both a digital proof and a high-resolution hard proof, and nothing moves forward until you've approved it. Once approved, it's time to print. Your project runs on the press that fits it best, whether that's our high-speed Heidelberg XL106 or our precision web press, ensuring consistent color and quality throughout the run. From there, finishing brings everything together. Trimming, binding, specialty finishes. Each piece is handled with care and checked to make sure it meets our quality standards. And finally, delivery. Whether your project is shipping nationwide or being delivered locally, it arrives on time and ready to impress. And if you need reprints or help with what's next, we're always here. That's our proven process: clear communication, careful craftsmanship, and quality checks at every step.